Honda's hybrid commitment takes center stage with the unveiling of the stunning Prelude concept coupe at the Japan Mobility Show. Following the Civic Hybrid's debut, this evocatively styled two-door coupe, powered by a hybrid engine, marks the triumphant return of the Prelude nameplate. The prospect of a sporty coupe back in Honda's lineup fuels anticipation, especially if it arrives in North America. With a captivating exterior and a size reminiscent of the Toyota GR86, the Prelude concept sparks excitement, hinting at a potential revival of Japan's iconic sports car rivalry. While details are scarce, the mere presence of the Honda Prelude concept is enough to evoke enthusiasm and anticipation. Why Honda Prelude is worth the wait. Honda unveils the new Prelude concept, marking the brand's triumphant return to sports cars. This sleek and futuristic masterpiece has captivated the motoring world, promising to revolutionize the sports car industry. Here's why the wait for the Prelude is absolutely worth it. Reviving the spirit. After a prolonged absence, Honda is back in the sports car game with the Prelude concept. The anticipation is real as this coupe is set to redefine the driving experience. Joyful driving ahead. Honda pledges to prioritize the joy of driving with the upcoming Prelude. It's not just a car, it's an electrified journey into the future of driving enjoyment. This term, though new, is seen as a potential advertising strategy in the near future of automotive industry, especially as the future of self-drivable cars is not far away. Brace yourself for a hybrid powerhouse, blending a gas engine with electric prowess. Hybrid marvel. The new Prelude is poised to carve its niche, offering a hybrid powertrain that strikes a perfect balance between traditional ICE models and cutting-edge all-electric sports cars. While the specifics are shrouded in mystery, one thing's certain: it's gearing up to outperform existing hybrid Hondas, delivering a thrilling driving experience. Revolutionary design. The 2026 Honda Prelude, showcased at the Japan Mobility Show, breaks away from its past, embracing a two-door coupe style reminiscent of the Toyota GR86 and Subaru BRZ. The exterior, marked by clean lines and a sporty allure, features a distinct lighting signature, angular headlights, and an EV-inspired absence of a traditional grille. Carbon fiber accents hint at a sport-focused trim, complementing the muscular upswept beltline and large wheel arches. The rear-end design exudes power, coupled with a futuristic strip of lighting and a prominent glass section. While exterior colors are unknown, the pearlescent white on display adds to the concept's allure, promising a dynamic return to the sports car scene. This brings us to the part of our review which is not discussed enough but is practically an important thing to consider while choosing this car. Dimensions of the 2026 Honda Prelude. While concrete dimensions for the upcoming Honda Prelude remain elusive, we can speculate its size to align with the now-retired Civic Coupe, boasting a wheelbase of 106.3 inches and a length of 177.3 inches. Our educated guess places the new Prelude a tad smaller, drawing closer to the dimensions of the Toyota GR86 with its 101.4-inch wheelbase, 167.9-inch overall length, and sub-70-inch width, standing at a modest 51.6 inches tall. Delving into weight considerations, both the GR86 and the previous Civic Coupe tipped the scales at under 3,000 pounds, leaving room for intrigue about the Prelude's weight, especially factoring in hybrid components. Honda Prelude interior and cargo. While the production details for the Honda Prelude are still in the early concept stages, it's clear the automaker is committed to bringing this model to life. Although the interior design remains undisclosed, historical context suggests a 2+2 seating configuration, prioritizing a sporty ambiance over expansive legroom in the rear. With the production model a few years away, speculation abounds regarding future technologies and futuristic cabin designs. Expectations include a sophisticated infotainment system, an extensive safety suite characteristic of Honda, and comfort features that harmonize with the car's emphasis on driving enjoyment. Anticipating diversity, we hope the chosen interior colors and materials for the Prelude extend beyond the conventional black or red seen in many sports cars today. Recognizing the segment's focus on sportiness, practicality takes a back seat, and substantial cargo space in the Honda Prelude is not expected. Hybrid powertrain. As outlined earlier, Honda swiftly confirmed that the upcoming Prelude will stick with a gas engine instead of going fully electric. This decision aims to cater to driving enthusiasts, striking a balance between traditional ICE models like the GR86 and BRZ and cutting-edge electric sports cars such as MG's Cyberster or the awaited Tesla Roadster. Fans raised questions about the powertrain due to the raised height of the front bumper and hood, prompting speculation on the design choice if it were a full EV. While Honda remains tight-lipped about the specific power plant for the new Prelude, there's anticipation that it will surpass the power of current hybrid models in their lineup. The discontinuation of the Civic and Accord coupe hints at the Prelude potentially filling this gap. To deliver driving pleasure, expectations are set for the Prelude to exceed the 212 horsepower offered by the late Accord Hybrid coupe. Comparatively, the latest Accord Hybrid and the recently unveiled 2025 Civic Hybrid fall short in horsepower at 204 and 181 respectively. Speculation surrounds whether Honda will introduce a larger gas engine or a more robust electrification strategy. Details are scarce for now, leaving enthusiasts in suspense. For those eyeing a hybrid Honda, it might be prudent to postpone making any decisions. If the Prelude introduces a potent hybrid powertrain, the impact could extend to other models in Honda's lineup. This shift of powertrain was inevitable due to the rising concerns about moderate mileage of the current models of Honda in market amidst the rising gas prices. Fuel efficiency. Honda's hybrid prowess ensures the Prelude running costs are exceptionally economical, drawing parallels to the mid-side Accord Hybrid's impressive 48 miles per gallon combined, promising over 600 miles on a single tank. As a standard hybrid, not a plug-in, the Prelude may not offer an all-electric range. Stay tuned for more details on the coupe's anticipated fuel efficiency. Price for unlocking this mystery. The price of the 2026 Honda Prelude remains veiled in uncertainty, with no official details yet in the early stages of development. Comparisons with the current Honda Civic lineup commencing under $30,000 and competitors like the Toyota GR86 suggest a reasonable pricing outlook. While affordability is expected, the hybrid powertrain and emphasis on sportiness may add a touch to the cost, potentially edging toward the Civic Type R's $43,795 MSRP. In a realm where two-door coupes with a hybrid heartbeat are rare, the Prelude emerges as a distinctive anomaly, promising an unparalleled blend of uniqueness and electrifying performance. The Prelude's unveiling offers a thrilling prospect. Indications suggest it's much closer to production than Honda lets on. Unlike typical experimental concept cars, the Prelude resembles a pre-production prototype with practical features like windshield wipers, body panel cut lines, rear reflectors, and rear-view mirrors, deviating from the norm of adventurous designs. This departure from the conventional concept car aesthetic positions the Prelude as a potential greatest hit in the making. As we eagerly anticipate updates from Honda, it holds the promise of reviving the legacy of its predecessors. While details on power and pricing remain undisclosed, the prospect of a production-ready Prelude hints that Honda might not keep enthusiasts waiting for too long. Thanks for watching. We value your support. Subscribe for future car reviews and share your thoughts in the comments.